How to reduce car motion sickness while you are using the phone in the car on the iPhone running iOS 18. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Motion. Then in here, tap on Show Vehicle Motion Cues. And then you can choose On or Automatic. Now when you turn it on, you can see there are 8 dots on the screen, 4 on each side. The Show Vehicle Motion Cues is a feature on the iPhone introduced in iOS 18. So if you don't have iOS 18, you can go ahead and update your phone to the latest version of iOS. It is designed to help reduce motion sickness for passengers using their devices in moving vehicles. So when you turn this on, it displayed animated dots along the edge of the screen that moves in sync with the vehicle's movements, such as turns, acceleration, or decelerations. And the visual feedback aims to align the motion perceived on the screen with the physical sensation felt, thereby minimizing the sensory conflict that often leads to motion sickness. Now, as you can see here, as I walk, you can see as I walk, the dots will move depending if I turn or if I move forward or backward, the dots will move accordingly. And that is how you can use it. You can turn it on, and all you have to do is just select on or automatic, and everything will automatically set for you. You don't have to do anything else. When you are using your phone in a car, it should help reduce motion sickness. So give it a try. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.